Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to delete all Node modules folders in your PC using one command. First go to your terminal, go to your C drive, then enter this command npx npkill. Now your PC all C drive all Node modules folders will load. See, my computer has 8.38 GB Node modules folders. Now we can delete it one by one, all like that. You can use up down keys for select what Node modules folder you want to delete, then press space key to delete. Then it will automatically delete. You can see it was delete. Likewise, you can choose what you want to delete and press space. It will delete. Make sure like and subscribe. Thank you.